Oh, hey, did you want some pots for your herbs?
That would be great.
There we go.
Honey.
Absolutely. Which size you want there?
Well, I think what I'm going to do is I want a bigger one because they do grow.
Okay.
And it has some weight, but
All right.
I don't like the fact there's no holes in the bottom.
Oh,
It's
well,
an issue. So what I do is stick that one in it.
That's a great idea.
And that has some drainage.
Yeah.
The other thing you could do
Drill a hole in the bottom.
is do a hole, but there is a plug, it looks like, that can come out.
Well, let's get rid of
Should
the
I
plug.
do that?
Yeah. Take the plug out. Hold on a second here, folks.
Because if I don't, what will happen?
Oh, look at that.
If I don't, what would happen?
It'll rot.
They'll get
The bottoms will rot,
waterlogged.
yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what, though? I got to pop that out.
Oh, it doesn't go all the way through. And I'm reusing this. This is not a new pot, as you can see.
Guess what? Hey, folks, it's not coming out. It's indented.
Oh, funny.
There we go.
Yeah, you need a little hole for drainage.
Yeah.
Definitely with herbs, or they'll get all waterlogged and then they'll rot out.
Yeah, that'll work.
Perfect. And I would still use this
Okay, yeah, that lanes
as
through.
a base.
Very good.
And then we have here some.
Sure, so check this out. This is leftover soil. You know, I do the forced tulip bulbs.
Yes.
So when I get done with them, I take the bulbs out and throw them in the compost bin and use this.
Smart.
And
So you're repurposing it.
repurposing it. Yep, absolutely.
And it has the little white
Perlites and probably some
vermiculite.
vermiculite and perlite and some peat in there. And
That's a great tip.
yeah, just reuse it. Planting first, here, Linda.
So the first thing I'm going to plant is rosemary.
Ooh, I love
And
rosemary.
number one, rosemary has an amazing smell. So if that's on your deck, it's going to smell wonderful all season. It's something that just keeps growing.
Oh,
And it shows you even right here on the little label,
with potatoes.
potatoes. So when Jim does the potatoes, I'll run down to the garden, grab some potatoes, whether they're red or little or larger.
So what'd you learn about potatoes the other
Oh,
day? How
yeah.
you find small ones.
So I love the little mini.
So tell me, you didn't think you thought you grew them that way, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I was wrong.
So potatoes always end up growing bigger, but they pick the little ones early. Oh, look, you break off the bottom.
So I'm breaking up the bottom
What
on
a
this
great
type
idea.
because this came in like a peat pot, basically.
Okay.
And so this is sweet basil. And anytime I've tried to grow basil right directly in my herb garden in the earth, I'll come out the next day and these will all be
Shoot up.
So I find if you do them in a pot,
You have a problem. Something
I
in
will
the
not
garden.
have a problem. And then again, you just run out, grab it right on your deck.
What did you just plant there? What is that?
This is dill.
Dill. Oh.
Dill, one of our very favorite dips that I will share sometime
Oh, yeah.
for vegetables and chips
Okay. Yeah.
is a dill dip.
Sorry, folks, I'm not the best video
There we
versus
go.
you are, but you're awesome. Hey,
That works.
there we go. Look how
And the
simple that
goal
was.
is when you're planting these, like you won't even know these were in these little pots.
Now you didn't take the top of the plant off, the green part here. Is there a reason for that?
It will. I leave that.
Oh, really?
Just kind of, yeah. It
Holds it
kinda
together?
Keeps it together.
Okay.
And that all the rest kind of disintegrates. It's
There you
meant to be planted that way.
How about some water?
Very important. And then also the other thing is, do not use Miracle Grow
For your
on
herbs.
your vegetables or your herbs that you're going to be eating. If you want to use those for your flowers, that's fine. The other thing you can do is if you want
Is
to,
rip it
you
apart,
can
yeah.
take these out. But
I
you're going to
feel- I
see
feel
this
bad.
kind of falls apart.
Oh,
if
it
you do
does,
that.
yeah. Uh-oh.
See?
Well, you can
all-
just
but at
maybe
least
rip
take
the
this
top
part off.
There we go. That works.
There we go. You
So
want to
look at
get
that.
this about the same height as your pot. You don't want it sticking way up in the air.
There we go.
Give it a little push. We'll put some water in
Here
there
comes
that
the-
has
here
a
comes
little
the fish-
fertilizer.
Fish emulsion, our favorite.
And then we have another fertilizer I'll share with you when I plant my other herb garden.
Oh, it's for herbs.
That is an herb
And
fertilizer.
Gardens Alive.
Yes, and it's organic.
Yeah.
That's about all I would put in that pot because they're not going to stay this size. They're just going to grow.
Yeah, they're going to fill up. Sorry, I didn't mean to drop you guys on the video there. But yeah, here we go. So, hey, this is beautiful.
There we go.
Thank you again for
Yes. We're joining
sharing.
us here at Simply Garden and Home,
yeah,
and we'll be doing more recipes with our herbs as well.
absolutely.
Have a
Beautiful.
great afternoon.